this again.
This is happening again.
Hooray!
Oops.
A very bad thing.
So I'm not even kidding y'all. It's only 10:19 a.m.
And it looked like it could be 5 or 6. It's just starting. It just started a couple minutes ago, and there we are.
Look, you see wind?
More updates will be soon. What's the lightning? I think.
So far, nothing.
It sound like that.
Weird thunders. Anywho, that's really going to be all for right now. It's just been thundering and just raining and windy, so that's all that's been happening. Bye.